In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Squarespace accounts in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth transition. Let's get started by clarifying some terminology, which will help us stay on the same page throughout this tutorial. When I mention the primary account, I'm referring to the account you want to keep. The secondary account, on the other hand, is the account you are planning to phase out. First, you'll need to log into your secondary account. Once you're there, it's important to invite your primary account's email address as a contributor to every site you manage within the secondary account. This step is crucial. It's what will enable the primary account to take over control of the sites and any associated assets. Now, you'll want to switch gears slightly. Open a different browser or use a private or incognito window and log into your primary account's email. There, you'll find invitations waiting for you, which were sent from the secondary account. Accept each of these invitations. By doing this, you're establishing your primary account as a user on the sites from the secondary account, which sets the stage for transferring ownership. Once you've accepted the invitations, return to the browser where you are still logged into the secondary account. It's time to complete the transfer of ownership. Start by transferring ownership of the website. But don't stop there. You'll also need to transfer any attached subscriptions. This could include domains or Google Workspace accounts associated with the website. It's essential to make sure everything makes its way to your primary account. As you finalize this process, take the time to verify that all of your subscriptions have been correctly transferred. You want to make sure that your primary account now holds the ownership rights to everything previously under the secondary account. This validation step will ensure that there are no loose ends or surprises down the line. What's great about this procedure is that, once complete, you've not only simplified the management of your Squarespace sites by reducing the number of accounts you need to keep track of, but you've also ensured that your primary account is the sole repository of all your digital assets associated with Squarespace. Keep this tutorial handy as a reference if you need to repeat this process in the future or help someone else through the merging of two Squarespace accounts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you merge your Squarespace accounts seamlessly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.